Helfrich Brothers was started in 1948 by my father and my uncle, my father Vincent and his brother Joseph. They had an uncle, John Helfrich, that worked in this very building for Wright Stafford Merrimack Boiler Works. So his two nephews came as young men and they learned the craft from their uncle and they became Boilermakers. The events of December 7th, 1941 changed their career path. My uncle signed up and he was in the Navy. My father was a few years younger. He signed up when he was 16 years old and he was in the Marine Corps. When they came back, they both came back here to Merrimack Street and they went back to work for their uncle. As young men, they were riveting boilers together. They came back with technology that they learned, which was how to weld. The two of them decided at some point in time that, geez, we'd like to do this on our own. So in 1948, September of 1948, the two of them set out on their own. In 1969, they bought this property that they learned the craft in. I joined my father in 1982. But when I came in here, I had grown up in this business, with my father. So when I started here, we had 4 employees. And over the years, it grew to what it is today, where we max out at about 400 employees. The name is a little bit deceiving with Helfrich Brothers Boiler Works. Yes, we work in the power industry. We do a lot of work in the power industry. We do a tremendous amount of work for the semiconductor industry. We build pressure vessels that are used in their process. And then there's new technology that comes into place. We're working with a company right now that is on the cutting edge of battery technology. We're working with them building pressure vessels that they use in their process. So we're very fortunate that we have this diverse skill set that we can offer the services that these industries need, and it creates more opportunity.
The past 5 years, we've doubled in revenue, we've doubled the size of our business. We've invested a lot of money in new people, new technologies to support these types of industries. It's humbling for us being a part of this supply chain, and we've made big commitments because we believe in our customers and the work that they're doing.
At Helfrich Brothers, we leverage a lot of advanced technology. And with this technology, it helps us compete in an ever-changing manufacturing environment. Staying on the cutting edge of these technologies and advancements is something that you have to do to compete, and it's something that we've always done.
So the city of Lawrence is part of an opportunity zone right here in the state of Massachusetts. The opportunities at Helfrich Brothers define what that means. We have 100 people working here, right here at 39 Merrimack Street. The average employee that lives in the city of Lawrence who works here is making over $90,000 a year. Right here in Lawrence, we want to be the local supplier for emerging industries here in Massachusetts, whether it's semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, clean energy. We are going to be part of that wave, that next technological wave. The Industrial Revolution has not ended. The Industrial Revolution continues, and we're part of it.
One of our biggest things here is that we train our guys in-house. We don't try to pigeonhole people to come in here and say, nope, you push a broom for 8 hours a day. No, you push a broom 8 hours out a day and whatever else you want to do. Whatever else you want to try to figure out. Do you want to be a machinist? Do you want to be a welder? Do you want to be a millwright? Anything. The possibilities are endless and it's all just what you want to do and taking the time to do it.
My name is Edwin Defoe. I've been here for 6 years. I have a friend that he been working here before. He just referred to me and I applied and I get the job. Overlays when they welding the pipe around. I just started right there. Then I just see the position open for machine shop and I apply and I get the job. But they have a good opportunity to grow and improve themselves.
My name is Stephen Kiley. I've been here 27 years. I got my start through a man named Michael Blake. He told me, you gotta come over here. And I went on the road with these guys and the money was fantastic. So I never looked back. If you want to make a good life for yourself, money, I mean, this is the place. You want to buy a house or something like that, you know what I mean? Buy a car. Come here, you can make the money. There was so much overtime here and pay, and it's endless.
We're proud to be a Massachusetts-based manufacturing company, and we're proud to carry on the tradition of manufacturing here in Lawrence.